Bilk, verb, to cheat, to swindle.
Amberly, do you have any 2s?
Go fish. Do you have any 7s?
Here you go.
Cool. Do you have any 10s?
Go fish.
That works too.
Amberly, I'm feeling a little parched. Would you mind getting up and getting me a glass of water?
Sure, I was thinking the same thing.
Now the perfect opportunity to look at her cards. Let's see. 3, 6, 9, and 10. That's perfect. All I need is 3, 6, and 9.
Here you go.
Oh, thank you.
Okay, was it your turn or mine?
Mine. Let's see. Do you have any 3s?
Yes.
Awesome. Do you have any 6s?
Uh-huh.
And what about any 9s?
Yes.
Yes, that's all my matches. Woo! Good game.
You too.
Bilk, verb, to cheat, to swindle. The girl bilked her opponent to win the card game. Vote for this video at www.brainyflix.com/word/bilk.